Hello everyone. Welcome to Product Hunting course for Amazon FBA PL Business. This course is solely designed for new or existing sellers who want to start their Amazon FBA PL business on Amazon in emerging or already existing markets. When you plan to sell on Amazon FBA PL Business, the first and most important thing to consider is your product. It is the product that would then decide your success and ranking. Most new sellers do the mistake that they don't spend much time on product hunting. They simply hire virtual assistants and do not even present them the criteria. So, you must have a knowledge of what kind of products you must have to launch. Let's talk about what you are going to learn in this course. In this course, you will learn about the basic difference between Amazon FBA and FBM, which are the two ways to do business on Amazon. Then we will talk a little about Amazon marketplaces, prerequisites. Then you will learn about the criteria which must be followed to hunt an excellent product. Simply looking at a Jungle Scout score of 6 or 7 is not the criteria. Then there are some don'ts which must be avoided by every new seller. Keywords are the most important thing in your product hunting. You have to look for the exact keyword which is generating sales. So, in this, you will also learn about that. Then we will have a final explanation of all the manual and software utilization strategies to hunt the winning product. In the end, as an extra thing, I have also included how to estimate the budget and profit margin calculations, as this is also the thing to consider when you are going to select the product. See you in the next lecture.